What's that?
Get it.
An airplane. A water plane. You gonna take off? Isaac, ask him to give you a ride. Just kidding. Is that an airplane, Ruth? There he goes! He's taking off into the sky! Look at that!
Wow.
Whoa! He's flying! Isn't that so cool? Look at that! Isn't that so cool, Ruth? Did he fly? Can you believe that? He's like a bird. Whoosh, up into the sky. Heran, yeah? Is that Heran? Wow. Well, that was a fun start to our beach day.
Yeah, it was fun.
Halo semuanya, selamat datang di channel MyBuleBrule. Saya namanya Kate dan ini Ruth. Anak saya Ruth dan sepupu Isaac dan tante Sarah. Halo. Jadi hari ini kita datang di pantai kecil untuk pagi-pagi karena itu panas sekali cuacanya. Cuaca adalah panas sekali hari ini. Dan kita punya permainan dan selimut dan kopi, pasti kopi. Dan ya, jadi kita mau bersenang-senang ya. Ya, Ruth? Ya? Can you say hello? Can you say hi? Wow, and just like that, he's back. How cool is that? Is that awesome? No, Isaac. You gotta go get that toy. Quick, quick, quick. Quick. Get the boat.
It's right there.
Get the boat. Ruth, go get the boat.
You gotta go get it, Isaac. Look, he's in there, right?
So fun. That looks fun. Yeah, there's 2 people in there. They're driving the plane.
Like cocoa. Like cocoa melon.
Like cocoa melon? Is there a plane in cocoa melon? Really? Oh wait, this is it. What? Baseball? What baseball? Oh, you see baseball? Want another bite? Oops, I gave you it all. Jadi Ruth dan Mama suka makan sandwich telur di pagi-pagi dari Dunkin' Donuts. Enak, enak Ruth. Enak? Yeah. Bikin apa? What are you guys making?
Apple.
What? You're making an airplane? You're filling that with sand. Pasir. Ini pasir. Isaac, do you want to talk to YouTube?
Yeah.
What do you want to, tell them what you're doing.
I'm making an airplane.
Oh, you're making an airplane?
Yeah, for that.
Really?
Got some water.
Got some water? You gonna water the sand?
Whoa, Ruth tight.
You gotta say, can I try please? Yeah.
Isaac, your dad's for a turn. Can you give her a turn?
How about after this turn? Good watering. Okay, now Ruth's turn. Oh, bagus. Okay, Ruth, take one turn. You gotta get in the water. You gotta put your feet in the water, Ruth. Ruth, you have to go in the water. Can you get in the water? Maybe hold Isaac's hand and go in the water. Ruthie, you could walk just this far in. See? Just put your feet in. Oh, that's the sweetest. What a nice guy. Can you say thank you? No, Ruth, say thank you. Ruth, say thank you. Plane! Whoa! Ruth, you gotta get more water. Say, fill this, please. There you go. Do this for me, thank you. Oh, he poured. Isaac.
Can you fill it and then hand it to Ruth so she can pour it?
Ruthie, you gotta go in the water to get the water. You gotta like step in it with your feet. It's okay. Isaac, can you fill it and give it to Ruth to try?
No, and mine.
She gave it to you so that you could fill it for her.
Can you, Isaac? Isaac.
She's saying, please.
No, it's mine.
Yeah, you had a turn. And can you give Ruth a turn?
So you know what then? Can I tell you something, Isaac? All those toys are mine.
Yeah, I want to play.
Okay, well then we want to play with this toy too. That's sharing. We have more fun if we share all that we have, right? It's more fun.
Mama said.
Huh?
Mama said.
You want me to swim? Okay, I will in a little bit. I gotta put on sunscreen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not yet though. In a little bit. Not quite yet, when I get hot.
No hot.
Yeah, Ruth. Yeah, Ruth. Now you're having a good time in the water. Ooh, can you splash like Isaac? Can you bend down and splash? Splash, 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 splash. Yeah, kind of. This water is so warm. Hanga, panas sekali. Air. Yeah, good, Ruth. Yeah, is it nice? Does it feel nice? Yeah. Are you proud that you're in the water? Look at you, Ruth. What'd you find? Oh, you found a shell. That's so cool. Like an oyster. A lake oyster. Is that an oyster or a clam? I don't know. Jadi, kita bisa datang sini karena Tante Sarah punya pass. Like you have a pass in order for us to come here. Karena orang tua, your parents, tinggal di kota sini dan semua orang asli sini bisa punya pass untuk each pantai sini. So basically, anyone who lives in Pelham can get this pass.
Yeah.
Does it cost anything?
I'm not sure actually. I think it did cost like $25 or something.
Okay, but you can use it like all year round.
Yeah.
And then Sarah was able to borrow it from them, and then we were able to come with them. And so, jadi kita datang sini setiap minggu. We come once a week.
Yeah.
In the summer because karena anak suka ini sekali. They love it.
Yes, they do.
You tossing it to Mama, Ruth? Okay, ready? Ruth, ready to catch? Look at the ball. Look at the ball. Oh, let me try again. Okay, ready? 1, 2. I'm gonna toss it. 3. Yay! Good job. Ruthie, no, we don't grab. Do you want to toss with me?
No, I see it.
Do you want Aunt Sarah to toss to you?
Ready? 1,
Get your hands ready.
2, 3.
Almost! That was good. Build a castle. We gotta dig them out. We gotta take out all the sand. Move all the sand out. Oh, okay. Yeah, we want to make a. No, guys, we want to take the sand out so it makes a moat. No, Ruthie, we want to move the sand away. We want to make a river.
Make a river.
Yeah, the river is, we want to take the sand away. Shovel the sand out. Get rid of the sand. Yeah, good job. What you got there, a truck? What are you going to do with it?
Put the
You're gonna pick up the sand with it? Okay. Oh, Isaac, she was using that.
No.
You want it back, Ruth?
Yeah.
Here you go.
You have to share, right?
Say, Isaac, if you want to turn, you have to say, can I have a turn after you?
I have a car.
But you know what? Isaac, we brought 2 of the same kind of truck. We have 2 diggers over there.
Isaac, put it back. Nope. Ruth is using that.
Isaac, come with me.
Go get the other.
Come here, Isaac. Isaac, look. There's one here. And then there's one down there. You got the octopus. Are the summer camp kids coming? Lifeguards. Lifeguards. You want this? Oh, who are you kissing?
I see it.
You're kissing Aunt Sarah? That's nice. Are the camp kids coming? Here, put it right in there. There you go. Are you gonna go in the water more? Are you getting tired, Ruth?
No. Good. That's all.
I think Mama's gonna go swimming.
Yeah.
Yeah? You want Mama to go swimming? Yeah? You do? You do? Hey, Ruth.
Mama said.
Mama swim. Mama swim. We gotta blow them up.
Yeah.
You wanna blow up the floaties and wear them? Okay.
Floaty. So that you float in the water.
Here, Ruth, put this on your arm. There you go. Whoop. You gonna float in the water? Yeah, you can come up to here. See if you float. Come float, Ruth. Ruthie, come hold my hand. Can you hold Mama's hand? Yeah. That's great, Ruth. I can pull you around. It'll be fun. I think you'll like it. Whoa, good job. Do you want me to pull you around in the water?
A vet.
Yeah, in your bathing suit. Isn't that fun? Look at you, Ruth. We can all go swimming. Yeah. Do you want to hold Mama's hand? Look at you guys. Just don't go over your head. Yeah. This is perfect. Right at your waist. Now we're getting too brave. Isaac, hold.
I'll do both of you in a second.
You ring around the rosy.
Yeah, let's play ring around the rosy. Ready?
Hold Ruth's hand.
Hold Ruth's hand. Hold hands, guys.
Hold Ruth. Isaac, hold Ruth's hand.
Hold hands.
Here you go.
Ring around. Yay! That was fun.
Ruthie, Isaac wants another hug. Oh, did you have fun?
No.
No go? We're just gonna move to the cars. We're still playing together. Come on this side. I need help with the wagon, guys. All right, guys. First stop. All right, Aunt Sarah. Oh my God. Whew, I'm hot.
No, go home.
Yeah, we don't like to go home, do we?
I don't want that home.
He was hiding. You want to give hugs? Say one more hug to go. Say, we had fun.
We'll have fun.
Yeah, say, see you next time.
Next time.
Yeah.
I'll see you next time.
All right, Ruth, grab the wagon. Help me push it across. Thank you, Ruth. Bye, guys. Come on, Ruth. It's nice and cool in our car. Oh, help me push. Help me pull it.
Go push it.
Okay, pull that. Is that awesome? Yeah.
It's Andy.
Sorry, I won't put that in the video. No, Ruthie, that's her bathing suit. Oh, there's shelves, and they open and close. See how it opens and closes? Like this.
I like this one too.
Hold on, let's not grab it. Find another one. Can share them.